So do you want your brand to go viral? The answer is yes, and the way to do it is on TikTok. TikTok is leading in 2022 with over 2 billion downloads globally and counting. It's now the world's third most popular social media platform and more popular than Instagram among Gen Z users in the United States. TikTok is an accessible way to immediately grow your audience and promote your business, so get started now! If you don't have enough budget to do ads on Facebook or Instagram, otherwise known as Meta, then TikTok is perfect for you to use to increase your sales. But wait, TikTok's rules and algorithm is different compared to other social media platforms that you're used to. So make sure that you watch until the end of this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to, because we're gonna make more videos like this. And in this video, we're gonna be sharing with you how TikTok works, the algorithm, some tips and strategies that will help your business go viral. Every week, we'll be publishing videos that can help you with your e-commerce journey. It's a pretty sweet deal. Over the past couple of years, TikTok has been constantly growing and evolving. TikTok recently increased the maximum video length from 1 minute to 10 minutes, which has been a hit with the users. Not only is TikTok trying to do longer content, it's also testing out larger content. One of their recent innovations is TikTok Television, an app for smart TVs that puts TikTok on the big screen. Not just your iPad, but your old-fashioned LCD. They've also been beta testing for TikTok Shopping that allows selected brands to sell directly through their TikTok accounts. Personally, I find it kind of scary, but as a brand owner, the exposure you're gonna get in TikTok is truly next level. That's why so many business owners are starting to see what opportunities they're missing out on if they don't start using it immediately. TikTok's popularity is just proof that it's doing something right. So why on earth would you start using TikTok for your business in 2022? Sounds like a horrible idea to me. Well, the most important reason why you should start using TikTok is that you can reach a massive audience and take advantage of its fast growth. Reaching your target audience and growing a following on TikTok is much easier than on any social media platforms. So it's a really great place to start. And with this massive audience reach, it's gonna help your brand be more discoverable and make more sales. If you have a niche store, then TikTok is the best place to reach your niche audience. Another thing that sets TikTok apart from other apps is their unique algorithm that brings forth relevant videos. TikTok uses machine learning to show you a personalized feed known as the For You original that is different for every single user. They have a user-centric design that focuses on what you like and dislike. With TikTok, you can also grow your other social media channels. As a business, you probably have Facebook and Instagram pages, and TikTok allows you to link them out. It's also incredibly easy and quick to make content on their app. TikTok is very user-friendly, there's no doubt about that. It's very eye-catching, but also features easy-to-use components like your feed, home, search, and profile. It keeps things very simple. And lastly, it's a fun and engaging platform. People don't expect overly produced content on TikTok, so you can make videos that aren't perfect and still go viral. TikTok is leading the internet because of its relatability. So, let's take a look at these 5 brands that are crushing it on TikTok, and that will inspire you to do the same. Okay, so first up, we've got Gymshark. I'm sure you know this brand. It's a fitness apparel and accessories brand. They started doing TikTok back in 2019 and now have 3.5 million followers and 53.8 million likes. Sheesh. How do they do this? As you can see, they have tons of videos and have been consistently posting content. Consistency is truly one of the most important things that you should keep in mind when joining TikTok. They obviously know their audience. They constantly post workout videos, workout memes, and workout inspirations. If you're in the same niche, then you should definitely check out their profile and get inspired. So you definitely have a greater chance to go viral if you focus on creating content related to your niche. Then we have Vessi. Vessi is a Canadian footwear brand that showcases waterproof shoes. They've recently just started and have 160,000 followers and 1.8 million views. So how did they grow? Well, they did giveaways. They used giveaways as a strategy to generate user-generated content, followers, and revenue. If you want your brand to go viral, then this is a great way to do so. It's going to help people identify your brand. The more you put your name out there, the more they're going to notice, and eventually they're going to put their trust in your brand and return to it. If you're still watching and you're enjoying this video, please like the video. Really, seriously, that would be so nice. And then we've got Spikeball. They describe themselves as if volleyball and Foursquare had a baby. They currently have 1.2 million followers and 23.8 million likes. Not bad. So, how have they grown so quickly? They capitalized on trends and created platform-specific content. Like I said, looking at these examples, these brands really know who their audience is and really try to engage and relate to them through these TikTok videos. Okay, and then we've got Fornite, another great example, and they came out strong. They've already reached 7.9 million followers and 48.5 million likes. When they first joined TikTok, they launched a genius campaign where they invited TikTok users to their Emote Royale contest, which challenged people to create dances that could then be turned into official emotes on Fortnite. And needless to say, it blew up. A lot of users joined, and now they're reaping the rewards from it. So really, you should think of fun ways to encourage your audience to, engage with your brand and your business. And last but not least is Reese's. Reese's now have 104 and 900,000 followers and 970,000 likes on TikTok and have been doing different, interesting campaigns. So they've really been thinking outside of the box with their campaigns. One example is this treasure hunt campaign where different creators have been hiding clues to prizes. And that is 5 e-commerce brands that you can get inspired with. If you're starting on TikTok, don't forget these. Know your audience, follow the trends, and create platform-specific content for your niche. Be creative, goes without saying. Think outside the box, create campaigns, and encourage your audience to engage with your content. And last but not least, be consistent, because consistency is key for your brand to go viral on TikTok. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more like this. We recommend you watch the other videos as they can help you grow and scale your brand to success. All right.